Nice work, nice work. What's worse? That ice or country music?
I like the ice. I'll take the ice.
I could probably eat the whole thing.
Yes, Greg.
Maybe it's the time.
No.
That's how we do.
Guys, this is so much fun.
Harry Potter. Yes.
Wow.
I don't.
What is the movie theme song?
I work at Scholastic.
Okay, Greg.
Go left. Definitely go left.
Either way, he's not going to let it float by.
Shit. Someone let the raft go.
You really sold it, Greg. I don't think you can hear us anymore.
You should do that when it gets close to the end point.
Yeah.
Or should we just not?
Oh,
I don't know. I'm so
Either
conflicted.
way.
Yeah, just stay. Just let it go. Actually, let him.
He has to get it. Oh my God, it's going further.
It went past it.
He sees it. He's
not
like, what do I
moving.
do?
He's not moving.
Whistle. Ryan, whistle.
It's actually going right to him.
Ryan. Oh, I think I caught it with the fishing hook.
I'm not gonna lie, it's a legendary one.
You really did.
Here's to you, here's to me, best friends we shall ever be.
Wait, a little more energy.
Here's to you and here's to me. Best friends we shall ever be. But if we shall ever disagree, fuck you and here's to me.
Yeah,
Yes,
the
Scott.
governor does.
Yeah, dive bar,
Yeah,
Scott.
the mayor. To the mayor.
To the mayor.
Is it 43 on there?
44.
44. That's close.
Oh, too old. Let's get
Thank you.
Oh my God. I almost ate it. I know. Coco.